Hey everyone, Kim here for Treasure Lee Kit Club. What I've got for you today is our November kit reveals. If you don't know, Treasure Lee is a monthly kit club and we provide 3 kits. You can subscribe to one or you can subscribe to all 3. Just head on over to our website at www.treasureleekits.com and you'll be able to check out all our current kits plus all our past kits. But before we get into the video, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below and then make sure you comment and like. That way you'll be notified when we upload videos using all our kits. So now let's go ahead and get into these kits. We have our November scrapbook kit. This kit is $52. That does include your shipping. And it will be, if you're watching this video, it's already available on the website. So make sure you head over there and check everything out. And if they're sold out, the best thing you can do is go ahead and subscribe. Then that way you'll never miss out on another kit. So let's get started with the embellishments first. First up, you've got this pack of flowers from 49 and Market. These are called Rustic Bouquet and they're in the color Blue Jay. You get the full pack. Next up, you get another pack of flowers, another 12-piece pack. This is from Prima Marketing and these are called Diamond. And they're both really nice fall colors. You're also going to get some resin embellishments. These are columns from Scrap Berries, and there's 8 pieces in here. The 2 columns in the middle have separate pieces, so you can use them various different ways. Also at Treasure Lee, we cut our own chipboard for our kids. So this month you're going to get this little split tree. How cute is that? And you're going to get it in our white chipboard. If you didn't know, our chipboard comes in white, natural, and black. To see which pieces come in those colors, you're going to have to head over to the website, www.treasureleekits.com, and then at the top, click on Shop, and then you'll get a drop-down menu, and it'll say chipboard. You click on that, and then all the categories of our chipboard are there. And when you go to select, if it's available in the different colors, then it will give you that option to go ahead and check out. And this is for the people that don't like to paint their chipboard. You can always have it in white or black. Next up, we've got some sheets for fussy cutting. If you love fussy cutting, then you're going to absolutely love these pieces. They're so fun. I was never a big fan of fussy cutting, but I'm getting into it. And this is by Alchemy of Art, and it's their Gold Autumn line. So it's a new line, and if you don't know, Alchemy of Art is an international company, and we like to feature international companies' papers and products in our kits. We like to give you the hard to get stuff that you may not find at your local scrapbook store, or some of the online stores don't carry it because of shipping and everything. So if you like that kind of stuff, then you'll love our kits. But first up, you're going to get these sheets, and actually here you've got 6 sheets, but you're actually going to get 12 because you're going to get one set where all the images look like this on this side. And these are such fun fall images to cut out. I think they're absolutely great. They'll be perfect for cards, for tags. You can use them as embellishments on your scrapbook kit. I love the blue pumpkins. I think those are my favorite. Then again, how cute are these young ladies here? They're adorable. And here's your last sheet, and you've got some gnomes down here. Those are all fun. So you're going to get these 6 sheets, but you're also going to get another set of sheets, because if you flip this over, you've got them with a white outline and the brown background. Here, it's technically no outline because it's on white paper, but because you're getting 2 sets, you'll never have to decide which side you want to cut out. You'll have 2 different sets, and these are the exact same images. They're just on a brown sheet, so you don't have to say, oh, I want to use this one, but oh, I want to use this one too. So now you've got 2. So a total of 12 sheets. Next up, you're going to get another fussy cut sheet, and I think this is gorgeous too. All those neutral fall colors here. You've got some oranges and some browns and some creams, a little bit of green thrown in there. And these are almost kind of a little more watercolor-ish, but you're going to get that extra sheet. And now let's get into the papers. Like I said, you're going to have this line from Alchemy of Art, and it's called Gold Autumn. And first off, you're going to get this sheet. How fun is this? And this so matches up with all your cutouts too. I love the little cluster here. Plus I actually love the green background and the damask that's on here. And there's your back side. Here's another sheet. These sheets are all so fun, and they'll be great for cards, for layouts, for tags. Here's your back sheet. These are nice for fall. You could get some masculine out of them. I love this. I'm going to have to pull out some of my old pumpkin patch photos. And there's your background. Or maybe I'll just have to go to the pumpkin patch again and create some new memories. Now, what about this sheet? This would be gorgeous on a fall canvas, using this as your focal piece. Just absolutely stunning. There's your back sheet, and here is your last sheet. So you've got some fun images on your A side, and then on the B side, you've got all your natural colors, all your plain colors. So this is our scrapbook kit. And again, I told you it's available on the website at www.treasurelikits.com. And again, it retails for $52. And that does include your shipping. That's U.S. shipping only. If you are one of our international customers, you know, just email me and I can give you a price estimate on shipping before you go ahead and order. And while you're there, make sure you check out some of the past kits. And make sure you check out our chipboard. Plus, there are going to be some other new things on the website as well. So now, stay tuned for our next kit, which is our cards, tags, and more kit. So here is our cards, tags, and more kit. And if you don't know about our cards, tags, and more kit, first of all, it retails for $42. And this kit is if you like small crafts, small paper crafts. If you like cards, if you like to do tags, ATCs, we like to mix it up with this kit. And this month is no different. We're going to start you off with the embellishments. First of all, you're going to get these corner swirls. These are Treasure Lee originals, and we cut these again in-house, and this is the natural color. You're also going to get some pixie petals. There's 18 pieces in here. This was in the shade Sunshine. And you're in another little pack in the shade Salmon. You're also going to get these little tags. You're going to get 4 tags. And they're textured. They're nice and textured. I don't know if you can hear that, but you're going to get little 4 tags. You're also going to get a mini distress ink in Ground Espresso. And another one in Dried Marigold. You're also going to get some rub-ons. These are defining words. They're really cute. And you get 2 sheets. You've got words on the back here. And then you've got this text here, which is really cute. You're also going to get a set of 3 bags. How cute are these to make some gift bags? So we're including these in, especially since we're coming up on the holidays. You can make some really fun, cute gift bags with this. You're also going to get a set of paper. This is from Couture Creations, and it's called their Earthly Delights, and this is 6.5 by 6.5. And you're going to get double-sided sheets. So here's your first sheet. Here's your second one. These are all really nice and light fall colors. Here's your back side. It's another sheet. There's your back side. All your backside sheets are really textured. There's your back. Now this would be really cute to cut this out for a card. It would kind of be a big card. Or it's also cute to go ahead and fussy cut and put on your bag. There's your back side. Another sheet. There's your back. And here's your last sheet. Nope, not your last sheet. is your back there. And now this is your last sheet. And there's your back side to that. So those are all the papers you're going to get. You get 8 sheets in total. And again, that's 6.5 by 6.5. And also, you're going to get some cardstock in Hillary. This is 8.5 by 11 cardstock, and it's a nice weight, and it's nice and textured. And you're going to get 4 sheets of this as well. So you can go ahead and make some cards out of this as you want using this, or you can use it on your gift bags as backing. But we'll have several different ways you can use it. And the best way to find out is make sure you hit the subscribe button down below, and then you like and comment, and then that way you'll be notified when our designers upload their projects using these kits, and it'll be here for inspiration for you all the time. You can always just come back and watch. So, like I said, this has been our cards, tags, and more kit. And again, this retails for $42, and it can be found on the website as well at www.treasurelikits.com. I suggest if you like these kits that you go ahead and subscribe, because our smaller kits, meaning this one and our next kit, tend to sell out pretty quick. So you don't want to miss out. And I'll be right back with our last kit. So our last kit is our mixed media kit, and what we like to do is we like to give you mediums so that you can try to see what you like, but we also like to give you a little bit of a project as well. So for November, you all know alcohol inks are nothing new, but we've got some different kinds of alcohol inks here. So this is what you got for your kit for your mediums. To start off, you've got a regular alcohol ink in amber. You've got another regular alcohol ink in, no, actually this is a metallic, and this is in bronze. So you're going to have a little bit of shimmer because it's a metallic. And then you're also going to have a pearl alcohol ink, and this one is in sepia. And then your last one, this is a sparkly alcohol ink. So you'll see it's on the bottle, it's got some shimmer in it. And if you look down at the bottom, it's kind of hard to see, but there is shimmer in here. And then we're also going to give you some alcohol ink blending solution. And you're also going to get some embossing powder to go with this. And to use your alcohol inks, instead of a project, we're giving you these fun sheets of Yupo paper, which is made specifically for alcohol ink. So you can go ahead and make all kinds of designs. You can use these colors that coordinate really well with our card, tags, and more kit and our scrapbook kit. And you can make designs using your alcohol inks and use them with your other kits. See, that's a way for me to get you to get all 3 kits, because everything coordinates perfectly. But again, our designers will be using this and showing you how to use this. We're just going to have some fun play with alcohol inks this month, and all that will be available here on our website. So again, make sure you're subscribed, and then you hit the notification bell too. That way you'll be notified as soon as we upload a video. And again, make sure you check out the website at www.treasurelikits.com, because we're adding some new items that are going to be perfect for the holidays. If you like to personalize gifts, or you want to get some custom made gifts, make sure you check out our website. You'll notice that we are going to have some new sections there. And then also make sure you come back, because we're going to have a lot going on for Black Friday. I'm letting you in on a secret now. They're going to be huge sales, big blowout sales, so you don't want to miss those either. So this has been Kim for Treasure Lee Kits. Thank you for stopping by. These have been our kits for November. Make sure you hit that website and hit that notification bell and subscribe down below, and we'll see you later. Bye.